Hello, today we will guide you through how to hide speed on Life360. In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you where to find the setting related to driving and flight detection inside the Life360 app, and how to switch it off. This is a simple process, but it helps to move through the menu carefully so you can be sure you're changing the correct option. To begin, open the Life360 app on your device. Once the app loads, make sure you are on the main screen and fully signed in so all menu options are available. If the app takes a moment to load, just wait until everything is visible before moving on. Starting from the app's home screen makes the rest of the steps much easier to follow. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap on Settings. This is where Life360 keeps many of the account, privacy, and app behavior options. When you open Settings, you may see several categories, so take a moment to scan the list rather than tapping too quickly. That will help you avoid opening the wrong menu. From there, find the option labeled Drive or Flight Detection and tap on it. Depending on your app version, the wording may appear exactly like that or very close to it, but it should clearly refer to driving or flight activity detection. This section controls whether the app monitors motion related to travel, including speed-related activity. Once you're in that menu, turn it off. You'll usually do this by tapping the toggle switch so it changes from on to off. After the switch is disabled, the settings should remain saved automatically. So there's typically no need to press a separate save button. It's still a good idea to pause for a second and confirm that the toggle is clearly showing as off before leaving the screen. If you want to double check your changes, you can remain in the menu briefly and make sure the option has not switched back on. In some cases, app permissions or updates can affect how settings behave, so verifying the final state can save time later. And that's it. You've opened the Life360 app, gone into Settings, selected Drive or Flight Detection, and turned it off. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide made the process clear and easy to complete.